AI is the future. You have heard this sentence a million times, but how to make money with it? I will share with you 5 golden opportunities to make money with AI in this video that makes you thousands if not millions of dollars. So make sure to watch this video till the end because we have a huge giveaway at the end of this video. So let's get started. The number one way of making money with AI is being an AI artist. You can see here I'm in Fiverr.com and here is the AI artist. The first AI artist that you see here, who is also a Fiverr's choice, his name is AI Lani. Okay, let me click to his gig and I'm now in his gig. You can see here that this guy is has more than 646 reviews. It means this is not orders, this is reviews. It may be more than this amount of orders, but all of those people who order may not give a review, okay? And the basic money, the basic gig cost is $30 and the standard is 70 and up to 150. Okay, we can see that if we do the math here, if we do the math, 646 to just $30, we can see that he is almost making $20,000 if he gets the basic in all of his reviews. Just look at this. And what he does, he is just making one image, and that is also done by AI. And you can see here that he said that I create one of a kind AI image using Midjourney. You can see here he is using Midjourney to create an AI photo for you. One AI, he is selling one AI photo for $30. And how you can do the same thing and get this opportunity, change this opportunity to a great source of income for yourself. You should come to midjourney.com. It is midjourney.com, okay? You should come to midjourney.com and then this is the website for midjourney.com. Then go here and you should subscribe to one of their plans. The basic plan for midjourney.com is $10 per month. This is not something you can make this money back in one order, okay? And you get 200 images per month. Okay, you can create 200 images per month with $10. So it's a great opportunity for you. You can use midjourney.com. Midjourney was free, but nowadays it's not free. But I will tell you the free ways. The next thing is also you can also use Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion is another website that you can use it and create the same thing. This is also an AI image creator. You can use this one instead of Midjourney, okay? And create the same thing as Midjourney. And this is also not free. And the next one is Del-E. Del-E is free because it is from, you can use Del-E free with Bing. When you come to Bing, you then go to Copilot. Here you can use your Del-E for free. Otherwise, if you use the Del-E in ChatGPT, you have to pay for ChatGPT 4 because Del-E is only for ChatGPT 4. So you have to use Bing and then use Del-E for absolutely free. And then the number 2 way of making money with AI is subtitles and captions. You can see that these guys are making hundreds of dollars with just creating subtitles for people, okay? For videos. You can see this guy, which is a Fiverr's choice, or this one, whatever you choose, okay? If we go, he is just doing a very basic she's doing a very basic subtitle. If I go to his profile, we can see that she has 530 reviews. If we see that 500 530 review. She just makes $5,000 if she get all of her orders in basic. If she get standard orders or premium orders, she may make more money, and she may make more money because lots of people who orders, they don't review. And you can see here that she has 5 orders in queue. You can see here that that she is doing this. All she do is just this subtitle under the video. This is very easy. I will show you how you can do it with AI. You can come to a AI platform like vid.io. Vid.io is an AI. It generates you auto subtitle generator. It has an auto subtitle generator. Okay, you just upload your video and it will automatically generate you a subtitle. So you don't need to do anything else. You just upload your video and that it makes you subtitle. Just look at this. Here is the subtitle generator. You can see this video I'm playing. Yes, look at this one. It generates the subtitle automatically, and this is for you. You can use this AI generator and make a gig in Fiverr and sell your product. Okay, and you can also use that AI generator. Vid.io is not free. It is free, but not for always. And you can use CapCut. CapCut also have the same functionality, but this is asked for absolutely free forever. You can use CapCut auto generator forever. This is free. Okay, and the third thing that you can do with AI that makes you a good money is article to video. These days we can see that there are hundreds of videos on YouTube or all other social media platforms that don't have any face. Okay, there are most of faceless videos, and most of these videos are created just like this, and people come and pay for you to create them videos like that. If we come to this guy's profile and we see, he said that I will turn your script or article into video. Okay, and we can do the same thing with AI. You can see he got 450 orders, and the basic plan is $30, and the standard is 50 and up to 70. If in the worst case, he is almost making, let me do the math for you. He is almost making $12,000 in the worst case with just a basic thing that AI can do for you. Let me show you. You should come to Invideo AI. Invideo.io is a website. The link is in description. Convert text to video with AI. It will do this for you. It will convert your text to a video, and you should provide this in your gig at Fiverr or whatever else. And then you can also add stock photos. At this person said here that I would do it with stock footage. You can do it and then do the same thing, generate you add a text, and then AI will generate you a video, and this is the same thing, and you can make a very good money, and it's also free for you, free. And if you want that to make more minutes, you have to pay. And also you can do the same thing. You can do AI script to video maker with CapCut, which is free, and you can also use this forever free. AI script to video maker in CapCut is completely free, so you don't need to pay for InVideo.ai. Okay. The fourth thing that you can do with AI and make money is AI shorts. These days, shorts are very popular among people in the internet. And you can see that these guys are making hundreds of dollars with creating shorts for other people. As you can see, this guy, or this one, okay, this guy is charging $20 in the basic to make a video of 30 seconds. Okay, a video of 30 seconds is $20, and if you want 5 video, he charge you $100, and for 10 video, $200. You can see that how much money he is making. If he, in the best case, he is making, let me do the math for you, that how much he is making in the best case, and in the worst case. Just if we see here, he is making more than $20,000 in the best case, okay? And this is just very easy, and I will show you how you can do it. The same thing. You should first find, yes, this is the NVIDIA AI, the same thing. You can pay for NVIDIA the AI once, and you can make multiple gigs in Fiverr, and you can do all of them at the same time, okay? Like AI YouTube short generator. You can see that this thing can also generate your AI shorts with AI. Like you upload a very long video of YouTube, and it will generate you the short form of this and multiple shorts, okay? This is a great thing. And the next thing is also Instagram Reels Maker. NVIDIA also has Instagram Reels Maker that create you Reels with AI, okay? The last opportunity with AI that you can make a good money is this AI avatar spokesperson. These days, these avatars are very popular among people. They are using these avatars, and they are everywhere. So if you see these guys are creating these avatars for people and charging them money, you can see that for 150 words, he is charging $5, and for 1,200 words, he is charging $30, and he got 106 orders. You can do the math, and you can see that he is making more than $3,000 with this simple gig. And if you come to an AI tool like vid.io, you can see that it has an AI spokesperson, and you can do the same thing as that guy here in vid.io, and sell it for people in Fiverr or whatever other freelancing platform or whatever place that you want. And the next thing, you can also come to synthesia.com, synthesia.io. This is also a place that has AI spokesperson, video creator. You can choose whatever AI tool that you want, but this is an opportunity that makes you great bags, okay? Okay guys, this was everything for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end, and the reward for you guys who watched this video till the end is 100 US dollar. About this month's giveaway, I have to say that you should subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also I hide 5 code in the beginning of each chapter. You have to write all of them in the comment section, then send me an email that is mentioned in the description of this video, which is youtube@seer.com. I will randomly choose the winner and share with you guys. Thanks.